Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mini. So I am trying dip powders from Vivid Glam Co. Used to be Viva Dips. And look how cute the packaging is. Look at the little cute little leopard print. That was cute. So I will be keeping those bags and using them for something. Probably just to store dip powder products. But so I ordered a starter kit and it came with 2 cards. One was how to remove the dip powder and one was how to use the liquids and an overall dip powder application instructions. And so that was nice, which most companies do now, which is great. So let's see what else. And it says low odor for those liquids, and I was like, low odor. They weren't low odor to me, but I have a real sensitivity with smelling things. Like I swear my must have some dog DNA or something, because I can smell stuff that normal people, like most people, don't smell. And so it came with a file, 2 cuticle sticks, a nail brush, a buffing block, clear. Came with replaceable brushes and a replaceable handle, so I thought that was nice. These bat confetti pieces. I think I purchased this back in like October or November of 2022. And so, and the color that I picked out was this nautical, and I thought on the site it looked like a really dark navy blue, which is why I bought it, or I selected that color, but it was more of a dark teal. And so I wish I would have used this color sooner, because it is April, but it's okay. And so this comes with Restore, which is your brush saver, gloss, which is your, I think gloss is the top coat, activate, of course, that's your activator, and then the last one is your glue, which is your dip powder base. And so I'm going to do a basic dip powder mani. And so before I do that, I do have other colors. And so the bigger ones are when the company used to be Viva Dip. I've had those for a long time. A long time. And so I do like the new branding and the new packaging. So I don't have a whole lot of colors from this company, just a few. And then I purchased pumpkin spice and everything, I think that's everything nice, those 2 colors back in October as well, because they were part of a duo kit. And then I just purchased 2 more colors that came in that cute little bag. It's really cute. And so I do have on peel off base coat, 2 coats of CN Designer Dips peel off base coat, and allow that to thoroughly dry. And so guys, we're just going to get into this dip powder application, so just hang out with me. We'll go ahead and chime in that the liquids were easy to use. I thought they were relatively thin, and then the powders were nice and soft as well. Even though I'm laying my finger flat, the powder was not hard when I did that at all, or even when I stirred it, it felt soft, and the cuticle stick moved through the powder freely. And so as I'm doing this, and I don't show all nails on camera, I think I just do 3. I go in with the little brush that came with the kit, and I brush off excess dip powder. And so this is what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to go in with a second coat of dip powder on each nail. So I'm going to go on with crystal glass, which is clear, and I'm using a tasting spoon, a disposable tasting spoon, to apply the clear to the nail, just because that's a flatter or wider dip jar. A pipette wouldn't work for me, so I'm just using what I have readily available on my nail desk, and so I'm just pouring that over. This was a good clear. It didn't leave any specks on the nail at all. So I tapped my finger with the spoon, my nail with the spoon, so I had to fill that in relatively quickly. And so after I apply clear to all 5 nails, I go in, and the instructions did say when you're using the dip base to wait 30 seconds. I did put that in the little text call out at the bottom of the screen earlier, but I wanted to mention that it did say wait 30 seconds between your dip powder application to brush off. That gives that time for that dip powder to dry on the nail. And so once I get all 5 nails covered in clear, I will remove excess with the nail brush, and then I will go in and activate and wait 5 to 10 minutes to give that dip powder time to harden, and then I'll do my filing and buffing off camera. So this is after filing and buffing of the nails. I'm going to go on with these stickers. I think I got these off of Shein. I thought they went well with that color, but the color was too dark with the butterfly stickers. It was kind of hard to show up on the nail. So I'm going in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 Sticky Base Coat and giving that a few seconds to dry, maybe about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with the nail stickers and apply that to the nail. Once I apply the stickers and press those down with the end of my nail art tweezers that I got from Color My World Dips, I am going to apply 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 Smudge Free Top Coat, and then I'll go in and do activation and apply dip top coat. So as previously mentioned, I did apply 𝒊𝒔𝒉 smudge free top coat, allowed that to dry, and then I'm going in with the activator. Now I apply activator to the nails that don't have the top coat just to give it some additional time to dry, and then I'm going to lightly apply top coat to my ring finger and my thumbnail. And so this method could be used for anyone who can't use gel liquids. And so I'm going in with, it said alcohol. What am I talking about? The instruction said go in after activator. I think it said wait 2 minutes, I believe, and then going with alcohol wipe or alcohol and to remove excess activator off of the nail. And so that's what I did. I got those larger alcohol wipes off of Amazon quite some time ago. And so I'm going in with my first layer of dip top coat, and again, Vivid Glam Co calls this gloss, and you want to make sure you wipe that brush off on a lint-free wipe or paper towel before putting it back into the bottle, because you don't want to contaminate your dip liquids. You want to try to keep those as fresh as possible. And so I'm doing the first top coat. By the time I finish my pinky nail, I then go in and apply a second layer of dip top coat, and it dried down. It said give it 3 minutes, and it did dry down in 3 minutes. They were dry, no problems at all. So after my nails dried down, I applied my favorite cuticle oil, and again, I'm wiping the rim of my bottle off to avoid getting that glued shut. And so guys, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil to rehydrate your nails. And so guys, if you found value, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's free in 2023. And let me know if you've tried Vivid Glam Co. Or not, yeah, Vivid Glam Co. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.